How to insert pictures from Google on Microsoft PowerPoint. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure that you have downloaded any picture from Google. So let's open a web browser, click search bar at top of the screen and type in any picture. Suppose, let me see or say natural scene and press enter on your keyboard. And here you will get all the natural scenes on this result page. You can open any one of your choice. And now right click on the picture and click on save image as. Now here you can easily insert the file name and insert the location. Now click on open button and click on save again. The file has already been downloaded. Now after that you need to click on Windows search bar at bottom left corner and type in PowerPoint. Click on open button to open the new page of Microsoft PowerPoint. Here you can click on new slide at top left corner and choose any slide choice. After that you need to click on insert tab at the toolbar at top left corner and select pictures. Now locate the same picture where you have saved. I have saved on this logo section. So let's select the image and click on insert. You can easily resize this pictures on your Microsoft PowerPoint slide. So in this way, you can easily insert pictures from Google in Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.